Hello, web page design students. A lot of challenges here, trying to figure out how we're going to go about designing websites and doing stuff. A term that we're going to use, I'm going to differentiate. I'm going to try and give a project that you get to design and create your own website of some kind. Or if that is something you think, I don't know that I'm ready to do that without Mr. Holtree in the room and correcting all the errors, a secondary assignment that I'm going to give, and you get to choose whichever one you want to do, where we will just have 3 or 4 things where you have to have a header, have a text message, insert 3 pictures, do some positioning, and that's it. And then have smaller assignments. The only way that I'll be able to look at your work, if you want to submit it, would be for you to submit both your HTML and your CSS file, and then I'll have to save both files on my computer. But there's going to be some challenges. We will get through it. If you take the challenge of saying, I'm going the more difficult route, I'm going to create my own website, you will be graded in a way that will be very, very flexible. I mean, I would love for you guys to challenge yourself, and I would love for you to take the harder route. And there's no way in the world you're going to get a lower grade going the harder route. But I want to create that opportunity where you pick and choose. Do I go create my own assignment, or I do different things? Okay, I know you're asking right now, am I really at the beach? I don't know how to answer that. If you have some suggestions on where you'd like to see me on Friday, would love to hear some of your comments. I'm going to try and come up with a new location, a new place to broadcast every time we do one, although I think I have about 15 if we go throughout the entire year and we don't make it back. Just so you know, I would much rather have you guys in the classroom. This is not ideal. But I do think we have to try and make the best of this. You guys have learned HTML. You have learned CSS. And now from here, everything that we do is really kind of reviewing and being creative and coming up with our own projects. If you get into a project and think it's too much, I'm going to go the other way. Guys, I am going to be flexible. I want this to be a learning experience. While I would love to see you challenge yourself and select option 1, which is a project. If along the way you feel like you're overwhelmed, you can't get it where you want it to be, you're having too many problems, you can switch back. I don't want you to be afraid to take on the project as one of your assignment, but I also want you to know, if you go that route, if you put in effort in trying to do it and have problems, submit me the problems. I'll search and try and find the whatever we did not close or whatever is typically the problem, or a spelling error. We can do that, and you will be taken care of academically. Don't let your grade be a reason not to take a higher level challenge, because if you take the higher level challenge, you will be graded very, very much your grade will be outstanding. So hope everybody stays safe. Looking forward to the possibility of us finishing the school year together. And in any of your comments, if you see something you really like that other teachers are doing, let me know. I'm going to try and keep this as fun as I possibly can in a situation that's not ideal. Looking forward to Friday's message and where we'll be on that one, and open to suggestions, because we got about, if we finish out the year online, we got about 15 assignments. Thank you, and we will talk to you on Friday.